A 6 to 8 foot swell wrapping up the coast, hitting this beach break here today. It's very hard to find a spot to paddle out, and I might need a bigger board. Today's a big day. Yeah, big long period swell been breaking along the coast the last few days, and it picked up a little bit today. So let's wait and see till some sets can come in. So we've got a bank that's trying to form up out there. Some of the sets are breaking big rights and lefts. I'm on the south coast of New South Wales, as you can see here, and we've had really variable winds the last few days, and today's very much the same, very light winds. This swell really has needed more wind on it to clean it up, and we haven't had that. You know, it took a good 12 to 15 minutes for these to arrive. It's going to be a very slow session, and even then that hasn't hit the bank very well. Look at that left. Not sure if the camera shows it, but that would be 6 to 7 foot minimum, maybe bigger. Yeah, look, it's a big swell. I've got to get out there and get some waves, so I'm going to give it a go. My goal here is to maybe even just get 2 or 3 big ones if I can. A big slow session, but it's going to be solid. So come with me, let's suit up. Alright, suited up. I've got the gun board there ready to go. I'm going to need that for some of these sets. We'll talk more about the board and fins at the end of the session. I'll run you through what I've chosen and why, and what board I'm running. And let's go for a paddle out, man. I'm aiming for a couple of just solid waves today. That's my goal. Big beach break. Let's see how we go. That's what we're after. There's another one. Oh, there's some big lumps coming through out here. It's probably 6 foot plus. I reckon there'll be bigger sets. Here come a couple now. But man, is there anything better than being out the back of a beach on a big wave day? Ooh, let's see how we go. Oh, look at that. Well, I'm sitting out here alone. Be 20 foot of water underneath me. Woo, just made that. Okay. So we're going to go out the point, paddle back out the point. All right, back out. comes this right straight away. Back out. Around. Alright, well that's been a pretty fun session so far. I really expected to struggle to get more than a couple of waves. I've had more than that. So I've spoken about this on my channel several times on the board reviews and a few other videos, but there's definitely a relationship, isn't there, a balance between the size of the board you bring out on bigger days and the manoeuvrability on the wave. So I'm going to sort of reflect on that at the end of the video and just speak to the gear that I brought out and the pros and cons. So we'll chat at the end, yeah? We're going to get this one on the head, and it is big. That was heavy. Broke way out. Alright, I'm kind of looking for one in at this point. Been out for a couple of hours and used a lot of energy, so if I can get one in. Hello. Yeah, thought so. Now, sorry about the breathing. Getting pumped here. I just got pumped all the way from out the back. 3 or 4 on the head, and it just said get out. Oh man, how fun is the ocean? You got to respect it. I was right out the back. I got sets on the head, and it just pumped me all the way back into shore basically. I had a good run there, you know, like for an hour and a half where I was catching waves. I didn't pay many dues. I was just getting out, running around the point, paddle back out the rip, get another wave. I had this feeling towards the end there where I thought, I haven't paid any dues for this surf. Well, I just paid some dues. I just got wrecked and pumped all the way into the beach, so I'm going to respect the ocean on this one and say, okay, fair play. We're even. But that swell's just picked up the last 10 minutes. Hey, that was fun. Let's sit down quickly. I want to talk to you about the board and equipment. Alright, so the gear today. I was on the step up today. So up from the 6.6 to the 7-foot byrne. It's 41 litres. It's a solid board for me, this one. You, if you watch my other videos, you'll see that this board got wrecked on the rocks at a big session a couple of months ago. So I'll put a link at the end of this video to that for your fun and enjoyment. But today when I mix, I put the accelerators on the front and the Felipe Toledo large centre fin at the rear there. They felt fine, they did the job. Ocean and Earth 1XT big wave leg rope. I've got that just on this board. That's just standard now on my board here after a few mishaps lately. That's got the pin release if I need that, and I'm double plugged. Nice big session. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you coming for a ride. Check out the video that's coming up next, and I'll see you in the next one.